Hi, everybody. My name's Brandon Baushi. I have created a business ideas tool. It has two formats. One is I have a business idea, which is for when you already have an idea and you just want to validate it. The other is I need business ideas, which will come up with, give you a bunch of different ideas based on how suitable they are to be able to find new customers based on the number of businesses per 2,000 people in your area. The purpose of this is to make it where it's really easy to kind of find out if the market has too many of the type of business in it, or whether the market needs more of them. So I'm going to discuss I have a business idea first. You just input your city, your state, your zip code, and the type of business you want to do. I've input the kind of companies I primarily work with down here, so it's really easy to do them. It's all home service businesses. And then you can also choose your target price positioning, operating scale, and the target customer profile. So that gives you a lot more control if you're a more advanced business owner who understands stuff. Then you click the evaluate market feasibility, and I did for the HVAC install and repair business. It has a score of 59. It says in Vegas it's flagged as saturated because it has 1.84 times the national average. And then it grades on stuff like market cap and density, which is the heavily weighted one, and it's fairly low compared to other opportunities at 28. Then if you go down, it will also show the national benchmark and where Vegas is. And then it shows the national household income where the local area is. As you can see, local area is a little lower. Then it shows residents per store, median age, total households, poverty rate. So it provides a lot of information. It also tells you various information and more. This is the same information where you can export it as a PDF. Then the 90-day roadmap, it shows you what you need to do to start the business. It provides a risk matrix. Which tells you what kind of risks you see that might cause you a problem. And then this is a full markdown. So this you can add into like AIs and stuff, and it will help you. So that's how it works when you're doing the I have a business idea. I'm going to try another one and see what happens. Maybe let's try this one. There is also a red one. Let's try pumpkin. try a different location. So if you look at this, I did Austin, Texas, and as you can see, it changed. It says it's a private target opportunity because it has a lower density of HVAC contractors than the national average. It also has much better in Las Vegas. It has higher household incomes and a higher population base per. So it's got a higher overall score, which means it's better opportunity. And then it shows similar things here. Then the risks are fairly similar, but the risks are lower in Austin, Texas, because it's got more people per business and that need service. So then the other option is the I need business ideas. This one is when you want to do when you don't really have a business idea and you want to see what kind of opportunities are good opportunities in your city. It allows you to choose how much investment you want to do. I'm just going to leave it at all for now and scan the census data for the top 10 opportunities. Will take a minute because it's doing a lot more behind the scenes research. It's literally comparing all the different opportunities to see which one is the best opportunity for you based on your categories. And then it will show the local population, the median household income, total households, poverty index, and then it will show you some different ideas. As you can see, heading high end is doing really well in this market just because I live in an area that's fairly new and they want premium services. So where the mid-tier HVAC wasn't good, going for a premium one is. And as you can see, it's got a much lower U.S. density than much lower local density than U.S. density. So then you can also sort these by if you're interested in food and beverage or essential services like laundromats. Then these are home services, professional and creative. They need CPAs and computer programming. So it gives you a bunch of different ideas for what types of businesses are in demand, and it's specifically the 10 best ideas. I may expand it further, but for right now, I want to keep it fairly limited because when you're talking about having hundreds of business ideas, it's going to it's going to take much longer to provide you the information you need. So I want um, to make sure that it's done in a way that's easy to process. You can also change how you see it. Like right now, it's rating by opportunity score, but you can change it to where it's by percent below U.S. density, and then it orders them differently. So not everyone's going to be able to do this, but if you're CPA or tech or HVAC, it's really good. Which before, if you look at it the other way, restaurants are really good. Then if you look at investment opportunity low to high, it changes order again. So it's helpful to have these in different ways so that you can consider what's important to you. So I hope that helps clarify how the tool works. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.